This is our Japanese lathe. It's an older lathe, but being Japanese, really good quality. When it was brought into the country, I assume someone's had a three-phase motor fitted to it, 2 speeds instead of the single speed. On the headstock gear chart, it's only showing 8 gear changes there, but it's got a two-way switch here for switching the motor, and that effectively gives it double that. It's got the control panel etc for a coolant pump, but doesn't have a coolant system on it or rear splash guard, and it's imperial thread cutting only. Starting from the back here, it's tidy, good solid guards and gauge, your gear change direction there and here, tail stop moves nicely and that lock feels good. Goes in and out nicely, and that lock works good, and that Morse paper feels okay. Carriage has had a wee repair to that main wheel at some stage of its life. Moves nice and free. Cross slides nice and easy to move, and very little play in that. And compound slide feels nice to move too, and a little bit of play in that. Alright, we'll take you through the feeds etc. That's the feed shaft working there. Now the lead screw. Slow, fast, real fast, and you can change it here too. And forward and reverse. So that's all working nice. I'll engage that lead screw on the carriage. So there it is engaged, that's going in and out nicely. Change that direction. And now it's coming back towards me. So I'll change it over to the feed shaft. So there's the feed shaft going. And I've engaged the carriage coming towards me, disengaged, and I'll change it over to the cross slide, which is coming out towards you, and that's nice to engage and disengage. So those are the feeds there to the carriage. Put that in the neutral position, and I'll take you through the speed range. So that's the emergency clutch on it, brake. And we will start here at your slowest speed. I'll do it from there. So that's one, and then I'll just show you electrically. Next one, and I'll change the gear again. There's your next speed, and I'll change it electrically. Another one. And it's another speed, and another speed, another speed, and another speed. Alright, now I'll take you into the higher range. So this will give us so this is the higher range, and that's probably about 235, and this will be the very fastest, 1500. Another gear change. It's probably about 950. Take you to the slower one. It's about 150. It's about 95 and 600. Last lot. It's about 60. Last one, 375. So there it is through the speed range. And then I'll take you through the And that is probably about it. So it's a really good solid lathe. It's been around a long time, but I'm sure it's still got plenty of life left in it.